Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from Shoe Doctor, Sherman Oaks Fashion Square, for Expert Village. Okay, now heels, it's finished. Now they need just cleaning and polishing. You just take a shampoo, it's called leather shampoo for cleaning. And we clean it first. If you want good shine, you have to clean it first. Without cleaning, it's not going to be good work. Take out the old polish. After, we're going to dye the edges. I dyed the edges, now it's black. Also inside too. After, we take in a kiwi polish. With brush, we put in a polish all over.